Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I started thinking there might be a even easier way to do this. I'm going to nudge this, making a copy and nudging it down. And if you watch parts 1 and 2, I should have nudged it further anyway. Let's take it and go up to Object, and let's ungroup it, and let's take the top yellow color. Matter of fact, we can move it out of the way. I didn't really need to make a copy, I guess, but that's the way it looked. And, I put a little blur to it. Then I started thinking we could do the exact same thing under effects, under effects and go bevel. You can change the direction and hit apply. Look at that. In one click of the mouse. Now it's not fuzzy, but it's even given a different looking bevel, and you could play with the colors and the amount. Let's bump this up a little bit, change the direction. Well, maybe you can't. And look at that. So it's even got some lighter colors. And what it's doing, if we'll take it all and go to Object, break the bevel apart, take the yellow and move it down, it's actually got 3 colors. So you could actually take that one away, and you'd have almost like the original in that length of time, just a lot quicker. And let's do this. Let's take this. I don't know if this is going to work. Go to Effects and Blur, Gaussian Blur, and we're going to blur that. That might be a little bit too much. I'm going to take some of the blur out and then move it back up. And what it is, it's in the back of the page. Come on, move. I'm impatient. I might have hit it twice and it might move twice. It always takes my laptop longer because the fact that it's, probably a bit easier to move that down. And look at that. So now you kind of got like a shadow effect. Pretty cool. Let's look at them side by side. You can kind of tell me which one you think looks better. It took me a lot of work on that first one to, blur, and this one's sharper, but it's almost got like a shadow effect where this is more like the thickness of the cheese. This is more like a shadow of this cheese. And that's really only because of the blur. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.